Welcome, my name is Kojosi, the admin of CJFXGLOBAL. On this video, I will be looking at the market overview of this coming week that we are entering. We are going to look at what happened last week and also look at what this week is going to look like. This analysis is going to be active from tomorrow, which is 10th of October 2022 to Friday, which is 14th of October 2022. We are looking at what the market will look like and where we should be expecting our market direction. So let's start. Don't forget, we at CJFXGLOBAL, we offer other services. We offer training and mentorship. You can see it on the screen. If you want to learn how to analyze the market like a professional, you can as well come to our website, enroll, and get your course and start learning how to become a consistent, profitable trader. We also offer other services like account management, which is called investment package. We also have an indicator software that is called cash flow strategy that helps you to give you an opportunity to enter and make good profit. We also have an indicator called price entry and rat indicator. This software gives you alerts where to enter, where to put your stop loss, and all the signal it gives is 99% accurate. We also have a robot that trade for you. Maybe for those of you who don't have time to trade, the bot is responsible in trading, doing analysis, executing, and making good profit for you. At least you should be expecting from 30 to 40% down to 70% monthly from the cash flow EA robots. We also offer signal like VPS for those of you who are looking for where to get signal to trade on your market. Just subscribe to CJFXGLOBAL VPS, and that is it. So let us go straight to our weekly market overview to look at what the market will look like this coming week. So we are going to start with DXY. Many of you know what DXY represents, which is called dollar index. And we are going to look at what actually happened last week and what we should be expecting this week. As of last week, if you look vividly, I'm going to zoom this market so that you see clearer. If you look, this is weekly time frame. We are using weekly time frame. You can see it. You want to know what happened last week. If you look very well, this is the weekly support level. This place is the weekly. This place I put my red line is the weekly support level. The market, like I predicted, came to this point, okay, and was fiercely rejected with a very long swing. That long swing simply means that the buyers rejected the market down to even the 85% of the swing, the candle was occupied by the bulls. That simply means that the market in this coming week is going to be in a bullish direction. Okay, so we are expecting this week for dollar to gain momentum against every other pairs that is being paired. Where it is paired as base currency, it will drag the one that are quote up, and where it is paired as quote currency, it will drag the base currency down. So this coming week, expect US dollar, which is this week we are entering from 10th of October 2022 to 14th of October 2022, US dollar is going to gain momentum against every other pairs that it is being paired with, okay? So if you should, once you have this clue, you should probably know what to do. That's why it's necessary for you to enroll into CJFXGLOBAL Online Academy. So let us look at EG, which is known as Euro British Pounds. You know, last week, Euro was very, very strong That means euro made a bearish move that was at the support level. Okay, at the support level, euro made a bearish move that was fiercely rejected. Sorry, GBP, British pound, made a bearish move that was fiercely rejected by euro at the support level, thereby creating a very strong rejection. If you look at the body, the rejection, it shows that the bulls have taken over and the market even close bullish, okay, with a strong rejection and bullish. So this week we are entering, expect European economy and European currency to be very strong against British pound. So that means British pound is going to be very weak this coming week, and you should be looking for opportunity to buy instead of sell. If you're a student of CJFX, you probably know what need to be met before you consider entering the market for buy. Okay, now we are looking at Euro, GBP, USD. Remember, for those of you who have enrolled into CJFX and learn what is currency correlation, you will know that since US dollar is going to be very strong and British pound is going to be very weak, it would be nice if you want to trade Euro USD or GBP USD. You prefer GBP USD because GBP USD is very weak. Okay, GBP is weak against US dollar, so it will be easier for US dollar to drag GBP down than euro because euro is strong. For US dollar that is strong and euro is strong, it will be slow because they will struggling to go down because US dollar is strong and euro is strong. It will not be easy for US dollar to drag euro down, but it will be easier for US dollar to drag GBP because since GBP is very weak. Okay, so we are looking at this week. If you look very well, everything has been set. The market met at the last week, the market met the weekly resistance level and it was fiercely rejected and the market closed bearish. So we should be expecting market of GBP USD to be going down. Okay, this coming week, expect US dollar to gain strength against British pound. So if you're a student of CJFX Global, you probably must have known where and how and what need to be met before you consider buying or selling the market. So for you to sell, there must be a setting that have to be met. That is why it's necessary for you to be a student and learn all those things to avoid losing money consistently in the forex market. Learn how to become a master in your trading. We believe in results, and many of you who have been in CJFX should know this. So many of you, your life has changed. You have recovered all the money that you have lost because you are a student of CJFX Global. Okay, so for you to sell, you should know what needs to be met. What I am doing is I'm telling you what the market is going to look like this coming week. So now let us look at Euro GBP. Euro GBP is also going to sell because it was fiercely rejected at the weekly resistant level. So if you see the strong rejection and the market closed bearish, it shows that the market is going to sell. Very, very strong sell. So expect a strong sell. Let us look at gold. Gold is going to sell because if you study the currency correlation, you know that when US dollar is going to gain strength, gold is going to be what? Weak. So this coming week, we should be looking at crude oil is going to be in a bearish move. It's going to be in a bearish move. So we are expecting, like last week candle on the daily time frame closed very bullish. So we are waiting for what we call market dilution. There must be a candle that will dilute this market, a willing candle to sell, and a small bullish candle showing the weakness on the bullish side, and the bears will take over, the market will start selling. So remember, this is very necessary for you to wait for the setup to be met before you consider entering the market. For what people I'm saying this to are the students of CJFOREX. For you that doesn't know anything, you don't know the settings, so you cannot be able to say this is what CJFOREX or Kujosi is saying about. The people that I'm telling them the parameter knows what they need to wait for. Okay, so for this week, crude oil is going to be in a bearish move, but make sure that all the parameters is being met before you consider entering the market. So on CAD, US CAD, you probably might have seen that the market was fiercely rejected at this weekly support level, and if you look at the way it rejected it, so this week the US dollar is going to be going very high. Let me do it like this. Okay, see the level is going to reach to this point. Okay, so you should be looking out for opportunity to buy, but this coming week expect a little sell before it will start buying, but know that this week is going to end with bullish move. Okay, so on GBPJPY, remember GBP is very weak for this week. Remember we did a GBP USD GBP, Euro GBP. You saw that GBP is going to be weak, so expect a bearish move. That means JPY is going to gain momentum against British pence, and that will lead to a very strong sell that might probably get to this point before the week ends. Okay, so look for opportunity to sell this coming week. I hope you know the parameter. I have always believed this message is for the students of CJFOREX. For you that have not enrolled into CJFOREX, you are losing and you are missing. Thank you. Now, let us look at gold. What gold will look like this week? We expect a bearish move this week because the market met a weekly resistance level and that it was fiercely rejected. So we are expecting a strong sell that will get to this particular place. This should be our first take profit. I know it is going to still go down, but at least target here, or targeted several. From this distance to here is a lot of pips. Okay, so let us look at Australian USD. Since US dollar is going to gain strength, so that means Australian USD is going to be on a strong sell. So you have looked at the market, you can see, you can confirm that our analysis has always been correct. All our analysis has been making profit. So let us look at V75, our final asset. Okay, our final asset is going to be V75. To look at what V75 is going to be this coming week, expect a long sell this week. So this should be on targeted this coming week. We are entering, the market is going to be on a sell, targeting here as your first take profit. So, but the distance from here, if you look at it, has already started selling. So the distance from here to here is a very big money if you look at the pips level. So if you are to trade V75, be looking for a sell bias. Don't look out for a buy opportunity. Okay, so the first targeted take profit should be at this point. This point, look at it here. Here we are first targeted take profit before the next this one. So, but if you manage to enter trading and you will make a lot of money from here to here. So I don't think you need here, but just be assured and the market will surely get to this place before it start doing anything you want to do. Okay, my name still remains Kujosi, the admin of CJFOREX. I hope you have a nice day and make sure you enroll into CJFOREX Online Academy to help you become a master in your trading skill. And don't forget, we have other services that makes you earn while you are learning, which is cash flow strategy. And I've explained that. You can go to our website, you look for all these systems that we are selling. We sell cash flow strategy. We can sell indicator like price entry alert indicator. We sell EA robot, our cash flow EA robot that makes you from 40 to 90% monthly. More than that, depends on the market move. Then we also have VPS where you can subscribe and get our daily and weekly, monthly signal We also have account management that are professional, manage our clients' account. So these services that we provided helps you to earn while you are learning. Have a nice day. Thank you once again. My name is still remain Kujosi.